Learn English to Gujarati. Begin in past forms with
શરૂ કરવું.
welcome, let us begin. Hey, you are here, which means your language adventure can officially
શરૂ કરવું.
relax, laugh a little, and let us learn these English and Gujarati forms together. Today's magic word is begin.
શરૂ કરવું.
Imagine a giant green start button. You press it, confetti explodes, a goat plays a trumpet for no reason, and your brain says, yes, we can absolutely.
શરૂ કરવું.
In English, the base verb is begin. In Gujarati, we use
શરૂ કરવું.
if you want to say, I want to begin now, you can remember.
હું હવે શરૂ કરવું માંગુ છું.
So take one tiny brave step. Learning does not need a perfect moment. It just needs a moment when you
શરૂ કરવું.
meet the verb family. Now you will meet the whole dramatic family of begin. Think of them as one verb wearing different hats at a party. Base form. Begin equals.
શરૂ કરવું.
This is the dictionary form, the calm form, the I have not done anything yet but I am thinking about snacks and grammar form. I began equals.
હું શરૂ કર્યું.
Example idea. Yesterday I was lazy, then suddenly heroic, and
હું શરૂ કર્યું.
you begin equals.
શરૂ કરો.
A teacher, coach, or very enthusiastic grandmother can tell you.
શરૂ કરો.
He began equals.
તી શરૂ થયો.
Picture a shy boy at a race, then boom.
તી શરૂ થયો.
She began equals.
શરૂ કર્યું.
A singer touches the microphone, smiles, and
શરૂ કર્યું.
began equals.
શરૂ કર્યું.
The movie, the rain, the argument over the last samosa, all of it can be.
શરૂ કર્યું.
We started equals.
અમે શરૂ કર્યું.
Teamwork, coffee, panic, success.
અમે શરૂ કર્યું.
You began equals.
તમે શરૂ કર્યું.
Someone points at you and says, hey.
તમે શરૂ કર્યું.
They began equals.
તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
The dancers waited, the drum sounded, and
તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
a ridiculous story about starting. Stories help words stick. So here comes a very serious educational story about a class, a race, tea, and a suspiciously confident chicken. It was 9 o'clock. The lesson should.
શરૂ કરવું.
But nobody wanted to move first. I looked at the notebook and whispered.
હું શરૂ કર્યું.
My friend looked at me and said, great. Now.
શરૂ કરો.
Properly. A boy near the window heard music from outside and suddenly
તી શરૂ થયો.
dancing like he was in a movie. Then a girl with perfect confidence stood up and
શરૂ કર્યું.
singing the alphabet as if she were performing for royalty. At that exact moment, the rain.
શરૂ કર્યું.
The teacher smiled, and all of us said.
અમે શરૂ કર્યું.
The teacher pointed at me and laughed, actually.
તમે શરૂ કર્યું.
First. Outside, the dance group heard the drumbeat and
તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
even the chicken in the yard looked ready to join. Education had never been so chaotic. Speak after me. Now it is your turn. Listen, repeat, and do not worry about being perfect. Even your mistakes are trying to.
શરૂ કરવું.
A friendship with fluency. Say it slowly. Begin.
શરૂ કરવું.
I began.
હું શરૂ કર્યું.
You begin.
શરૂ કરો.
He began.
તી શરૂ થયો.
She began.
શરૂ કર્યું.
Began.
શરૂ કર્યું.
We started.
અમે શરૂ કર્યું.
You began.
તમે શરૂ કર્યું.
They began.
તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
One more time, like a movie trailer voice.
શરૂ કરવું. હું શરૂ કર્યું. શરૂ કરો. તી શરૂ થયો. શરૂ કર્યું. અમે શરૂ કર્યું. તમે શરૂ કર્યું. તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
Mini dialogues. Let us make the words useful. Here are tiny dialogues you can actually imagine using, unless your daily life includes dancing chickens. Then even better. A. When do we begin? B.
શરૂ કરવું.
Now? A. Yes, now. A. Did you start? B.
હું શરૂ કર્યું.
Teacher. Time for the lesson. You.
શરૂ કરો.
Teacher. Yes, begin. A. What happened to Ravi? B.
તી શરૂ થયો.
Laughing and could not stop. A. What did Nita do? B.
શરૂ કર્યું.
Speaking before the microphone was ready. A. When did the movie begin? B. It.
શરૂ કર્યું.
At noon. A. Did your team start the project? B. Yes.
અમે શરૂ કર્યું.
A. Who began the presentation? B.
તમે શરૂ કર્યું.
A. When did the dancers move? B.
તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
After the drum beat. Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a quick quiz. If you get one wrong, congratulations, your brain has just found a new place to grow. What is the Gujarati for begin? Answer.
શરૂ કરવું.
How do you say I began? Answer.
હું શરૂ કર્યું.
How do you tell one person you begin? Answer.
શરૂ કરો.
What is he began? Answer.
તી શરૂ થયો.
What is she began? Answer.
શરૂ કર્યું.
What is began? Answer.
શરૂ કર્યું.
How do you say we started? Answer.
અમે શરૂ કર્યું.
How do you say you began? Answer.
તમે શરૂ કર્યું.
How do you say they began? Answer.
તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
Memory tricks that actually help. Before we finish, let us glue these words into your memory. The stranger the image, the more your brain says, ah yes, important stuff. For begin, imagine pressing a giant green button marked.
શરૂ કરવું.
For I began, point to yourself like a dramatic actor and say.
હું શરૂ કર્યું.
For you begin, imagine a coach shouting.
શરૂ કરો.
While everyone pretends to stretch seriously. For he began, see one boy suddenly sprinting.
તી શરૂ થયો.
For she began, picture a singer opening a show.
શરૂ કર્યું.
For we started, imagine your whole group raising cups of tea and yelling.
અમે શરૂ કર્યું.
For you began, imagine someone accusing you with a smile.
તમે શરૂ કર્યું.
For they began, picture dancers in colorful clothes moving together.
તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You did not just wait for the perfect moment, you actually began. Thank you for learning with me today. You practiced begin and its key forms in English and Gujarati.
શરૂ કરવું. હું શરૂ કર્યું. શરૂ કરો. તી શરૂ થયો. શરૂ કર્યું. અમે શરૂ કર્યું. તમે શરૂ કર્યું.
And.
તેઓ શરૂ થયા.
Keep practicing out loud, use the phrases in tiny daily sentences, and do not be shy about repeating them. Thanks for listening, and keep going, one brave little word at a time.